AI could complete tasks without your help, build businesses, manage projects, or even automate itself. That's not sci-fi. It's happening now. Meet the autonomous AI agents that could change everything. Autonomous AI agents are like ChatGPT on steroids, except they don't wait for you to ask questions. They act, they think, they loop, and they can make decisions completely on their own. Today, we're diving into what they are, how they work, and why they matter more than you think. You might have heard people talking about autonomous AI agents. What are those? Imagine you have an AI employee that can work on its own without you constantly telling it what to do. That's basically what an autonomous AI agent is. It's a program that combines a language model like GPT-4 with memory, tools, and logic loops to achieve a goal. You give it a task, and it figures out how to do it on its own. Some early examples include AutoGPT and BabyAGI. There's a lot of hype around these tools because they show just how fast the field of AI is moving. But there's still a lot of work to be done. These systems are not yet very good at planning for the long term or dealing with unexpected situations. But the pace of progress is quick. And as these tools improve, they'll likely become more and more useful for a wide range of tasks. Imagine a future where you can hire an AI to tackle your work tasks. How awesome would that be? Here's how these AI agents work in 60 seconds. These agents use a loop structure called REACT, short for reasoning plus acting. They do the following: think, break down the problem; plan, decide what to do next; act, execute the plan using tools or APIs; reflect, assess the results, and continue the loop until the problem is solved. For example, you might ask an agent to summarize a long podcast episode. It will think. This task requires listening to a podcast and generating a summary. Plan. Download the podcast, transcribe it, then summarize it. Act. Use an API to download the podcast, then use another API to transcribe the audio to text. Finally, use a language model to summarize the text. Reflect. If the summary is good, great. If not, repeat the loop until a good summary is generated. These agents are really cool because they can link to search engines, code interpreters, or even file systems to get things done. You've probably heard of AI tools like ChatGPT and Bard. You might even be using them right now to help you write emails or generate ideas. But what most people don't know is that businesses are using these agents to do much more than that. For example, they're using it to build websites automatically. They're using it to run entire e-commerce stores. They're using it to perform deep market research and analyze data. They're using it to write and test code. They're using it to manage content schedules. And in some cases, a single agent is being used to manage multiple virtual team members, each with their own specific role. So if you're not using AI agents to help you with your work, you might want to familiarize yourself with this space. You've heard of OpenAI's AutoGPT, right? The AI that kicked things off. Well, it's no longer the only game in town. There's AgentGPT, there's SuperAGI, there's Crew AI, and now there's Microsoft's Copilot, which is an enterprise tool that's moving into agent territory. You can use it to summarize text, generate ideas, even write code. But it's not just for coders. It's for anyone who wants to get things done faster. Big tech sees the future, and they're investing heavily in it. They know that the companies that move fast will be the ones that win. And they're betting on agents. What does this mean for us? Well, we're all going to have to move fast too. These agents are going to reshape how work gets done. Imagine replacing an entire department with a few smart, looped agents that never sleep and get smarter over time. They could change how businesses scale, how people freelance, and how knowledge is created and shared. And understanding them now gives you a head start. Here's what you need to know. Agents are basically smart contracts. They use AI to automate tasks and decisions that would normally require human intelligence. They can be programmed to do simple things like booking appointments or complex things like negotiating deals. And the best part is they get better over time because they learn from their mistakes and the data they collect. This can make businesses more efficient and profitable. It can also help people work smarter, not harder. For example, imagine a world where you have an agent that helps you get things done faster, freeing up your time to focus on higher value activities. Or an agent that automates repetitive tasks, allowing you to scale your business without hiring more employees. Or an agent that helps you analyze data and make better decisions. Whether you're an entrepreneur, developer, or just curious, autonomous agents are the AI shift nobody is talking about loud enough. But soon, we all will be. Let us know in the comments what you think of autonomous AI agents. Like and subscribe if you want to stay ahead of the curve.